just the true entrepreneurship, just knowing you want something different and just failing your way forward, I think is the common tale.
Maybe this is from like some Twitter meme, but a man becomes confident when he becomes fearless of failure. So if you are afraid of failure, you're probably going to be hesitant. You're probably going to be nervous. Your body language is not going to be right. You are going to not take shots when you know you should. And so if you just get over that fear of screwing up, you are going to fail forward. You're going to pick up momentum, and you're going to learn new skill sets, have a different perspective, see other opportunities. And then one day you're going to enter this party of all these other successful entrepreneurs who've gone the same route as you, where we failed so many times. And when you're in that room and you can share those stories, then you're accepted. So I wouldn't run away from that. I would lean into it.